Welcome to Cars with Big Boy Trev Extra. My name is Big Boy Trev, and today it's all about reports that Volkswagen are actually planning to replace the Tiguan All-Space with the Tayron SUV that's built exclusively in China. Well, Tayron, it sounds like a funny American male name. However, this particular vehicle has been built exclusively in partnership with Volkswagen and FAW. Now, according to Volkswagen CEO, Mr. Thomas Schaefer, he mentioned that the Chinese build model is planned for 2024 launch in the European market and will serve as one of the last models powered by internal combustion engines to enter into the continent, pioneering the new energy vehicles for the next decade. Now, this particular vehicle actually went in sales in 2018, meaning it is still a relatively fresh model in the growing lineup of Volkswagen SUVs. Similar to the Tiguan, which were replaced around the world, the Tayron is underpinned with the MQB platform, which would endow its familiar driving characteristics to the Tiguan and Tiguan All-Space owners. Inside, the Tayron is unmistakably VW, with the aesthetics of the German manufacturer manifesting itself in this Chinese built model. Now, according to recent reports, the Tiguan All-Space may be put to rest, with the Tayron serving as a replacement that will be positioned above the next generation model, but also below the facelifted Touareg. Manufacturing in China will presumably continue for the local market. However, the vehicle in question may be offered in Europe and is rumored to be built in Wolfsburg from 2024. Now, considering it may be offered to the global market, and with Kenya being a beneficiary of the Tiguan and the Tiguan All-Space, there's a strong possibility that this particular vehicle might make it to the Kenyan shores. And since Volkswagen is not in a position to actually give us a full statement, but in due time we do expect that this particular vehicle might be landing by the end of the year or early next year. Now, for those who do not know, the Volkswagen Tiguan and Tiguan All-Space are actually assembled at the KVM facility in Thika. Now, this particular investment shows the promise that Volkswagen has for this region, for the sub-Saharan market. And of course, they have built other similar models, including the T-Cross, which is very popular, the Caddy, and of course, the Big Boy, the Touareg, which is now available. So make sure you catch Cars with Big Boy Trev for the exclusive reveal of all matters Volkswagen, and of course, we're going to give you a lowdown on the upcoming trip that I'm going to attend, a big launch in South Africa for the new Volkswagen Amarok. Stay tuned to Cars with Big Boy Trev.